There was a time when Silverados were built to last. Not 200,000 miles, not 300,000. Forever. As long as you wanted. The industry had three solutions, three engineering approaches that made Silverados practically indestructible. I talked to a retired GM engineer, 38 years of career. He told me, we knew how to make eternal trucks, but the industry abandoned these solutions. Why? Because a truck that lasts forever doesn't sell new trucks. Subscribe now. Comment if you agree. Today, you're going to discover three solutions that made Silverados last generations and why the industry stopped using them. The engineer explained something that changed my perspective. Old Silverados didn't last because they were lucky. They lasted because they were designed to last. Three specific solutions, three engineering decisions. Later, industry decided it wasn't worth it. Costs, margins, strategy. Why is he talking now? Because I'm retired. I have nothing left to lose. And old Silverado owners deserve to know what they had. Let's start with the most important solution. First solution, intentionally over-engineered frame. The engineer explains, we designed the frame for double the necessary capacity. Silverado needed to carry 3,000 pounds, frame handled 6,000. Why do this? Safety margin, extreme durability. Frame never reached its limit. Even hauling heavy every day, frame had room, wasn't stressed. How did this translate? Old Silverados could work heavy for 20, 30 years. Frame didn't give up. Frame didn't crack, didn't twist, because it had capacity to spare. Was it more expensive? Yes. Used more steel, more material. But result? Trucks passed from father to son, still running. Why abandon it? Accountants decided frame can be lighter, cheaper. Engineering protested, but decision came from above. Result? Modern frame is efficient, not over-engineered. Solution 1. Frame with giant margin, abandoned for cost. Second solution, fully interchangeable modular system. The engineer said this one was maintenance genius. Old Silverados had standardized components across generations. 2001 alternator worked in 2007. 1999 fuel pump fit in 2005. Why was this revolutionary? Because owner could fix easily. Mechanic had parts, everything available. More important, cheap parts, because millions were made, standardized. Real example? Alternator, same design for 12 years, millions manufactured, cost dropped. Old Silverado owner found parts anywhere for 40 bucks, changed it himself. That was the idea, empower the owner. Why stop? Industry discovered unique components per year force owner to the dealership. More expensive parts, less available, more profit. Modularity abandoned. Now each year has specific parts. Solution 2, total interchangeability, abandoned for profit strategy. Third solution, preference for mechanical over electronic. The engineer said this was our principle. If it can be mechanical, make it mechanical. What did this mean? Fewer sensors, fewer computers, less complexity. Mechanical system lasts decades. Electronic system lasts until technology obsolete. Examples? Throttle, mechanical cable, not electronic drive-by-wire. 4x4 transfer case, mechanical lever, not electronic button. Fewer things to break, fewer things to fail. Why did this matter? Electronic looks modern, but when it breaks, expensive, hard to fix. Mechanical? Any mechanic fixes it. Simple parts, durable. Silverado with mechanical system runs 30 years, 40 years. Because there's no obsolete electronic module they don't make anymore. Simple equals eternal. Why change? Regulations, efficiency, marketing. Industry sold electronic is better. Maybe it is for 10 years, but for 30 years, mechanical wins, always. Solution 3, mechanical over electronic, abandoned for modernization. Three solutions that made Silverados last. 1. Over-engineered frame, giant margin. 2. Modular components, interchangeable for years. 3. Mechanical systems, durable simplicity. The engineer told me these solutions made Silverados legendary. Trucks fathers bought, sons inherited, grandkids drove. But industry decided extreme durability isn't profitable. Why is he telling this now? Because old Silverado owners need to know. You don't have old trucks, you have better trucks. Made in a time when lasting was priority, not sales strategy. Do you agree with the engineer? Comment old greater than new or industry changed right. If your classic Silverado has these three solutions, you have something rare, something they don't make anymore. Like this video, Share it with classic owners. Subscribe for truth about what industry doesn't tell you. Tomorrow at 8 p.m., more secrets old ones have and new ones don't. Your classic Silverado was made in a better time. See you tomorrow, Silverado family.